What up, YouTube? This is GeoStuff R1, and what are we doing today? So primarily we have in front of us the Traxxas Maxx Slash, and I've done a lot of upgrades on this, and I'm setting this up to be running in the colder weather. Primarily, I've had a lot of experience when it comes down to cold weather runs and having this type of platform fill up with snow. And it's happened to my Traxxas X Max. It's happened to my Maxx, and I'm pretty sure with the Maxx Slash, it's going to be the same situation that's happening. And I'm pretty sure with the XRT, I'm going to have a situation like that happening as well. So what is my resolution on that? Well, here we go. We have the dustymotors Shroud, and this is specifically for the Traxxas. Let's focus in on that, for the Traxxas Maxx Slash. I ended up going with the green color. It should be a fairly simple installation. It has Velcro and everything like that. So let's crack the thing open and see what you get. Alrighty, let's see what comes in the tube. So here's the Shroud itself. I ended up getting the green one. As you can see, it's very breathable. They ended up doing the Velcro on the inside, but then I have Velcro on the outside. So I'm curious to see how that portion of the install is going to go. Here's the other part of the Velcro, which you mount this on your chassis. Some dustymotors decals right there. And before throwing away, it specifically tells you in red, read it out loud. Always important to look after your temperatures of your RC model, ESC, and motor. The Shroud logo must be on the left side of the model. Hand wash only. Do not use in machines or dryers. Shock absorber covers cut to length, suits your model. Get 5% off with the coupon code DUSTY-5. dustymotors.com. YouTube is dustymotors EU. So yeah, definitely check that out. So let me take off the body and let's begin with the install. Alrighty, so people always ask, what are my measurements that I end up installing this into? So you actually go from one point to the other. So it's going to be from here to here, and then you cut it with a scissor. But the next thing I recommend you guys doing is just matching it up right here alongside of it, like this, and just cut it exactly, because it's going to be exactly the same on both sides. You're going to be doing this on different sections of the RC, which if you're cutting on one side, do the same exact thing on the other side so everything matches up. So let me start off by doing the sides first. Before any installation that you're doing with this Velcro, I need you to get rubbing alcohol and clean off the spots that you're installing this on. The reason being is I've had situations to where I didn't use rubbing alcohol and this came off, which was my bad. But you want to make sure that, you know, this whole area is cleaned off, and this whole area is cleaned off, and all the different sections that we're going to be doing. But make sure you have rubbing alcohol. It doesn't matter which one it is. This one I keep at the shop. Alrighty, so this is going to be a little bit trickier. Primarily what I'm doing over here is that I'm doing this as an angle. So it's going to be angled up right here. And then when you come across and do it for the other side, it's pretty much going to be similar to exactly what you're doing, but along the sides of how you're going to set it up, it should be identical. So once you flip it over, it should be good to go. So I'm going to install this right now, and we're going to be working our way to the back. Alrighty, so this is the way the exterior part of the chassis is going to be set up. It's pretty much set up on both sides exactly the same way. Now we got to work on the interior. Alrighty, so here we go. There is the dustymotors Shroud that's installed over there. I think it came out really nice. It is going to do exactly what I needed to do. Keep the snow out, keep a lot of the big rocks out. Now that it's becoming the season of fall and winter coming up right behind it, I'm going to be able to utilize this without worrying about temperatures. Let me crack this thing open for you guys to see. There's the front. I threw another piece right there. There's the inner part of the Nerf bars. Here's the back. Throw another little piece right there. There's the back of it, the interior part of it to where it lays down inside. And here's the front part of it to have that set up and stuff like that. So yeah, no, Dusty Motors by far I've been with them for has it been more than 10 years? I think I've started buying Shrouds, possibly, maybe 10 years, I don't know. But there we go. That's what you're looking at. Anyway, if you like the content of this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Really supports the channel. Rate, comment, subscribe to my thumbs up on YouTube. Later.